Hey, meteorologist Pete Mangione here, and it certainly was a hot Sunday. We hit a high temperature of 90 at TF Green. If we can hit 90 over the next couple days, we would have our first heat wave of the year, and according to my forecast, we'll hit 90 on Monday. I also have 90 in the forecast for Tuesday, so we'll see. Either way, it will feel hot, heat wave or no heat wave. Tomorrow, look how quickly we warm up to around 90 by 3 o'clock in the afternoon with a chance of some isolated showers and thunderstorms, and a few of those could be strong. We'll talk more about that in just a second. Did want to show you some of the latest heat advisories, and right now they're in effect for northern Bristol County, Massachusetts. This may be expanded, if not on Monday, then on Tuesdays. Tuesday may be the warmer of the next couple days. Now, the reason we have these heat advisories is it factors into account two things, not only the actual temperature, but the humidity, and I'll show you some of those feel-like temperatures in just a second. First, though, I did want to show you the thunderstorm outlook for tomorrow. I do think it's a mostly dry day, and some of you may make it through all of Monday without even a drop of rain, but there may be a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. A few of these could be strong, especially towards the time of the evening commute. We're talking heavy downpours, localized street flooding, and some pretty strong wind gusts. So keep tuned to us. Michelle's in tomorrow morning with an update on that. Again, not everybody will see these, but those that do could see the rain really come down pretty hard. And then by Monday night, we start to lose that activity as we lose the heating of the day. Speaking of heat, here's a look at one computer model's take on the heat index. So this is that feel-like temperature I was talking about when you factor in the temperature and the humidity. Feeling like the mid-90s tomorrow. In fact, some spots could be feeling even close to 100. So this particular computer model, a little bit conservative, but you get the idea. It will feel hot on Monday. Definitely use caution if you are outside for an extended period of time. And then for the beach forecast, there will be a moderate risk of rip current, so just use caution. Make sure you are an experienced swimmer and you know what you're doing if you are thinking of taking a dip in the water, because it certainly will feel nice. Beach temperatures low to mid 80s late morning, then falling back into the upper 70s with a breeze kicking in from the southwest during the afternoon. Dew points, yes, these are huge here in southern New England because it dictates how comfortable the air is, and it stays pretty uncomfortable the next several days. Very humid Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday before finally likely breaking up some of that humidity by Thursday. Thanks so much for watching Weather Now on WPRI.com. We'll be posting more updates throughout the weekend and the work week. See ya.